Good morning, class 8. Today we will continue the chapter Chemical Effect of Electric Current. And today's topic is chemical change due to electric current. So let's start. Students, when we pass electricity through a solution, we will observe that some changes are taking place due to chemical reaction taking place. So, in some cases, when we pass electricity through a solution, the color of solution may be changed. In some cases, it produces bubbles. Bubbles are produced due to the formation of gases. And in some cases, some insoluble substances are formed. These insoluble substances are called precipitate. So these type of changes we can observe when we pass electricity through a solution. And these changes are called chemical changes due to electricity. Now we have the topic that is electrolysis of water. When we pass electricity through water, water decomposed or break down into its constituent, that is hydrogen and oxygen. This process is called electrolysis of water. This we can define as electrolysis of water is a chemical decomposition of water by passing electricity. It decomposed into hydrogen and oxygen that are its constituents element. Students, the process of electrolysis of water, this activity we can understand with the help of diagram. In this diagram, this is the plastic vessel in which two holes we will make at its bottom and put the two rubber cocks on these holes. Now we place the two graphite rod at the rubber cocks, and these two rubber cocks are connected with the switch and two terminal of battery. One is connected with the positive terminal of battery and second is connected with the negative terminal of battery. This terminal is called anode and negative terminal is called cathode. Now we will fill this container with water till these two graphite rods are immersed in water and add few drops of sulfuric acid. This solution, water and sulfuric acid, is called now acidified water. When we switch on, electricity passes through this acidified water. After some time, we will observe that bubbles are produced in both the test tubes and displaces this water. This is due to the formation of gases. Once the respective gases are completely filled the test tube, we will leave the test tube carefully, and after that we can test the gas. For testing of these gases, now we will place a matchstick near these two test tubes. The gas which burns with the pop sound, that will be hydrogen, and the gas which support to burning, that will be oxygen. So we can understand here, in the electrolysis process, solution decomposed into its constituent elements by passing electricity. Thank you.